Hey everybody, welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an app for the Android device for you called Wave Alarm. This is a great new alarm application that we can use here on our device. So you can see here in the main section of the application, we have our alarm clock. And we have the different lines here, the outside ones being hours and the inside ones represent the minutes. You can see we have our date and our time and even our weather currently shown here on the screen, as well as the high and the low. Now here in the settings of the application, we can come in and adjust a lot of different areas, such as the snooze duration. We can manage our alarms. We can adjust the motion detection, so we can choose what the action does when it is activated, if we would like it to activate our snooze, disable the alarm, or do nothing. Here in the settings of the application, we have our drag our finger up and down, on and off. If we have it turned on, once we're back in the alarm mode, we can drag our finger up to adjust the brightness and down to adjust the brightness to go down however we would like it. So if we were in a dark scenario or a really dark room, we could easily do that without having to go all the way into the settings on our device. We can also come back here into the settings where we can disable sleep, so that when our device is plugged in, we can use this as a bedside actual clock if we needed, maybe we wanted to wake up in the middle of the night and be able to see what time it is. We can enable our full screen mode if we would like to, and turn that on and off, or we can have our status bar hidden or visible. We can change our different weather units, change it to a 24-hour clock, adjust our alarm volume, and even set the clock color. You can see we have blue, red, green, or yellow in here, and we could choose any one of those that we would like. Here in the main section, we can also come over here to our alarm section, where we can add in our alarms just by pressing the Add Alarm button. You can see we have all these different alarms that we can add in. Maybe we wanted to just select one here and press the Done button. We can then adjust it to repeat or not. We have different sounds that we can choose between music on our device. We have wave alarm sounds or alarms and ringtones, and the vibration enabled on and off. Once we save that, you can see we now have it activated, so that once we are in here, once the time comes up and it goes off, we can simply wave our hand in front of our camera, and it will allow the alarm to either be shut off or the snooze to be enabled, however we set it to go. In our settings, or if we have that section turned off, we could easily have that turned off and not allow it to do anything in case that we wake up too easily when it does that. Now here in the main section of the application as well, we can come into the information portion of the application, and we could rate the app if we would like to. We can report a problem, or we can get the full version. So you can see our alarm is now going off, and all we have to do is wave our hand in front of it. You can see our snooze is now activated, and it is now snoozing for 10 minutes. Once again, this application is available for the Android device. It is called Wave Alarm. If you like it, be sure to pick it up in the App Store today.